Hi, it's James, aka Batman Fan, back with another banger. This is going to be a unboxing video, something I bought on eBay, because on the Friday the 27th of May, I bought one TMHT backpack, which was vintage 1990 Teenage Mutant Hero Turtles backpack retro. Then they were dispatched on the 30th of May. I picked them up on the 4th of June. So here we go. This is the packet, that is the front, if you can see that, and that is the back. So let's open this baby up, get the right way around, it might help. Here we go. Right. Okay, here we go. And as we pull it out. So this is the front. Big thumbs up, Calabunga. That is the back. Big thumbs up, Calabunga. The usual schnizzle. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, please comment on the video too, share the video if you like. Just leaves me to say until the next unboxing on Batman Fan, just leaves me to say peace and Calabunga.